This is gonna be a creepy video. I'm gonna first close the door. Now, I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do something because I'm trying to find the scary chicken gun mitts. It's because I know one myth. That is the scary chicken. The scary chicken that you see around sandbox games. Because you saw, it's so random that players even place here. I think this is gonna be a normal video and this is not gonna even appear. What is this text? Who was that? Well, let me look back. Whoa. What? You cannot hide? What? I don't notice this. Why does it says you cannot hide? What? I'm so scared. I'm scared because I don't know what happened. What? I didn't get it. Something is going on in this server. Yeah, let me set the sound. What? What the hell is this chicken doing? How is he? I know. I need to do this. Click do. What? I have 2 arms. I have 2 arms on my other side. Let's delete those. Let's go through. How to, I go through. What? This is an actual trick. What should we do? We should scare players out of the hack. Let's do this gun here. Let's make a rich roll, and I think nothing will actually happen in action. No one will even place that creature. Oh my god, I threw the gun on the ground. I think nothing will happen today. Whoa, what is this scary bunny doing here? Whoa, where did it even go? What? I don't get this. Where are I? Yeah, I see that guy. What are you doing? You are having a party, dude. Are you serious? Why is everyone partying in here? Why is everyone partying in this guy's house? I'm sorry, what? Are you trying to make a ritual? What? Yo, what is downstairs? I need to look downstairs. Did you saw that, guys? I saw literally the chicken walking. I was walking somewhere. I think the scary chicken is trying to haunt me. Because this guy making a ritual. This guy's making a ritual. That's why the chicken is running. What? The thing is broken. Why am I sitting on the piano for this scary myths video? What is happening on this TV? What is it? Yeah, I don't know what this thing is. The scary movie on the TV, look. There's something happening. Yeah, look, it's going black on the TV. Because that's a really scary thing, right? On the TV. Yeah, why is there a candle flowing me? Are you serious? I hate this. I need to do this away. Boing. Why is Huggy Wuggy here? Why is Huggy Wuggy in this game? Why is Huggy Wuggy still in this game? Door. Why is the door here? What? It's so random how it looks like. It's not even good. It's not even good. What? Who did that? What? Is someone used an explosion on there? Yo, I saw him again. What? Someone is... What? I'm so scared. It's gonna appear. It's gonna be... It's gonna be really scary. It's gonna be scary, definitely, because I saw. Why is there a car? I think we will drive that like the other. I will not drive it. What did I do? How is it still boosting when I'm not even doing so? I did not edit the video. I did not even edit. Now I have a new car, and my car changed into a taxi because now it's a better police. Why are you destroying my car? Dude, what is your problem? What? Yeah, I'm gonna cry. What is happening? Huh? What is a chicken doing? I don't get it. What is happening? Why is the chicken glitching out? What is happening? What the heck? Skibbity, what the skibbity? Yo, what is this? Why is she walking? Is she walking like this? I think nothing will appear on the house. Oh my god, I saw that thing again. What is happening? The frog again. What did happen? Why did the frog disappear? What? I don't know. Why are keep things disappearing? I don't know what is happening in this server. Why are things disappearing? Well, look at the gaming chair. What? The robot, what are you doing? What? Where did he just go? What? What? He's on the wall. What is happening? What? This server show destruction. What if he will look at? Are you serious? It disappeared again. I could not go through the window. Are you serious? Go, literally. But I saw that creature, the scary chicken from my first video when I saw the chicken. Why is this wall? What? No! I hate this guy. What? Why is the thing bugging out? What is happening? What is under this map? What? What is this? Huh? What the heck? Yeah, this is just a bunny. What? I didn't get it. I don't know. What? What? I saw that. Let me walk away. Let me walk back. Where did that go? What? I saw Leary something. You could not even. I want to just get out of my. What? Even when other people, even when many people are in the game, still people were haunted. You're gonna make a haunted ritual again. What's in the window? Why is it so black? What is happening? Those. Well, let me look in the fog again. Did you saw that? What was that? Huh? Oh my god, it's so creepy. What was that? What was that green thing? Nothing is downstairs. What? What is going on? What? I didn't get that. Where did that green thing go? I saw a green thing on the ground moving. What was that? I didn't get this. What is happening in my Oh, what the heck? I'm trying to do a glitch. I couldn't ride the piano. Where did the piano go? What? This is so scary. I need to move this TV away from this guy's house. Because I need to watch what this actually needs to be. Don't imitate me, guys. These people are imitating me on the server. Let me just watch a big movie. And let me make the TV a little bit bigger. Yeah, look how weird it is. What was that? Look, if we pause the game, look, it's explosion. And we saw a tall... What? Where did these mobs come from? I don't get this. Who did spawn these mobs? And stuff. What? What? What is happening? I saw a weird creature standing here. I don't get it. I keep seeing weird things on this server. What is happening? Why does it make a gun floating in... What was that? What? That's just nothing. I think that is just a sky. What is that? What is that? Hello? What? Where did it just go? What the heck was that? Oh my god. Just seeing my face. What? What? Let me look up. Ready. What? Ready? Who's that? What? Let me look on this bench or something. Something needs to be wrong with this server. I think we'll not teleport under the ground when I go in the... Why the text just change? Why did the text change? What? I don't get it. I need to just sleep in this tent. I don't know what's going on. Let me just sleep in the tent. Where's the sleep? Sleepy. What? I'm waking up. What? Huh? What is happening? I'm chilling under the mat. What? Why is it so dark? It's still day. What is happening? What is that? I need to sleep again. I have a nightmare. What the heck is happening? I need to... What? I need to wake up. Oh! What the heck? Why is my tent red? What is happening? What? This is destruction. I'm in a nightmare. Let's sleep. Oh my god, what is happening? Where did my tent go? Why is the tent? I need to go into the tent and just sleep. I need to sleep. That was just a nightmare. But I'm still chilling under the map. I need to go up with my tent. Oh! I don't know what's happening, but it's kind of weird. Why does I keep falling? I want to go up there. What? Let me look down. What is that? What? Let me look again. Nothing. What is happening? What is anything? I saw something in the sky. What? The background's walls? Ouch. I'm hurting myself. What is this? What is happening? What is this? What is this border? What? Pets, let me go. What these pets are doing? What? These pets are doing disaster things. Bro, what is happening? I couldn't go through. What? These pets are eating. What the heck? No. Did you saw it? I don't know what I saw. The painting. What is this painting? What? What? I thought or that I saw something every time. Where did this go? I need to do this. I need to leave the server because it's the too many destructions happening in this sandbox mode. Let me do again, and this one will not be haunted. Let me just sleep in the tent. Where's my tent? I need to search and place my tent here. Where is the tent? Where is the tent? First, where's the jump pad? Where's the jump? What is happening? Why is the jump pad? What is the jump doing here? What is Jumpy doing here? What is happening? Why is this appearing? Let's go into the map because that is not even scary. Guys, that is not even scary. Look, this thing is just a model monster. Let me look up. What was that? Let me look again. What? Where did it just go? Anytime something is happening in these servers, let's throw this pen away because it's bored. What is happening? It's go. What? Yes. Where am I? What? I don't know what's happened. I'm just teleporting. Let me just go under the map. What is this? What is this island doing here? Oh, grass island? What? I need to grab that house right there. Or else something. Let me just place the text and say. Come. Yeah, I did say this. Let me look. Yeah, something is happening. I'm chatting with a ghost. I'm chatting with a ghost because this ghost says thing. He's coming back. What? 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 I didn't get that. Where did it go? What the heck? What a parry? And let me say, where are you? Let me look back. Yeah, it says something. I'm see you from above. What the hell? And I will haunt you. Hello, Dad! I'm making a scary chicken gun video because I'm chatting a ghost with this text. But it's gonna be haunting me in chicken gun, Dad.
Okay.
It's gonna be haunting me in chicken gun forever.
That is scary.
Yeah, it's really scary because I keep seeing things but they are disappearing. Because it's so weird. There looks like everything in the map is disappearing. And I saw something in the sky, but it disappeared for no reason. And when I saw the mega text, I don't know what it's saying, but it turned in. What did it again say? Let me know in the comments, guys, because I didn't know what it did say. That will you please would make a video of me? Well, please, Dad.
No.
Why?
Because I just got home.
Huh? Please, will you please, we'll make a video now because I'm making a video already. because you need to see what's happening in my feeds. Happening in my videos. You can please.
No.
You only need to
No.
look. Huh? What? Are you not gonna get into the video?
I want to ask you something.
What? Goodbye, Dad.
Bye-bye.
That was asking me a lot of questions. Not questions. Asking me questions. Asking me questions. Some questions was Dad asked me. I will haunt you. I'm so scared. And I will haunt you every time. What? No, why did it just chat so? I'm so scared, guys. He's gonna jump scare me in something. And I'm gonna jump scare you. No! Huh? I'm so scared. No, delete it because the ghost is too scary. Was that black thing? What? What was that black ball on the words? What was the black ball there? Let's place another shine. Let's look at the house. Yeah. What? How? What is this button doing here? Where did the text even go? Could I text something? Hello? 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 Who is the... I see you everywhere where you go. Oh my god. This guy is seeing me from above where I go. Where every place where I go, he sees me from above. He keeps appearing. What the heck? What the heck? He tried to kill me. This guy? What the heck is happening? What is happening in the server? It's going too crazy. It's wild because it's long. He asks long questions because now it's even random. Now there are big planes flying in the sky. What is the big YouTube play button? This is the big YouTube play button. What is under here? Is in that house. What in the heck? What the heck? What is happening to my thing? What? I need to go up there. In these videos, some videos are... yeah. Now I'm gonna go into the house. What? 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 That guy, he was killed. What? Let's go outside. What is this yellow thing Teats doing here? Adjust the golden button from before. Why is my hammer so red? Why is my hammer red? What? Why is my hammer red? Why is my hammer red right there? I see red. I see red right there on my hammer. Who? What? We see red. We see red. 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 We see red everywhere. And even here. Even here. What the heck? Let me go back. Oh my god, that place is burning down. No! What is happening in this house? What? Yeah, he was still killed. Let me go out of here. Let's go. What? Where did the body and the guns go? What is happening? Why? What is happening outside? What is that creature walking right there? It's so weird. The creature is walking. I don't know what's happening. The creature, I see some creature walking around. What is that? An helicopter. It's just a flying. What is this? Who are you? What the heck is this? Let's see what this actually is. Where are all the players? This game. What is this? What? Where is it going? Watch out, bro. You're literally doing. Oh my god, that was too far. It looks normal now. Let's go somewhere else. Driving around, driving around, driving around, driving around, driving around. What? Driving around, driving around. What was that? Yeah, I think that was just nothing. I think there was the body. I think someone I think that was just... What is this fire? And clicking on the buttons, but nothing is working. Let's drive. You are gonna be punished. What is this? What is this? Let's watch this video together. Where is the video? Let's go. Oh my gosh, it looked like someone watching through the TVs. Ow! Whoa! He got superpowers. What is happening? Why is he moving? Yo! 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 What is happening? Yo! Oh my god, so much. I just said the oh my god. So why? You are paying back. Oh my god. Let's just go. Just little. What is happening? What is your problem, dude? What is your problem, dude? Let's destroy. What is your problem, dude? You destroy. Here. What? He's still sitting in the air. What's happening? Let's flex on this guy. What is happening? No! Not you again! You stupid bastard! Come back! You are paying back. You're fired from this place. You stupid bitch! Come back, you. Come back. Come back. Back, you are my hammer. Now I have two hammers. You are gonna be punished. You are gonna be punished. You are gonna be punished with two hammers in your face. Yeah, there you get. Yeah, again. And again, and again, and again, all over. You are so stupid. I don't want to see you. What is happening? What? I couldn't even join. What is happening? Why are there only two options? What is happening? Click. What is happening? What is happening? I cannot even click emotes. What? What's happening to this shirt? Ah! What is happening? I couldn't even leave. What is happening? I'm stuck. Who is... Ah!